Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today we are going to learn how to hunt the product and how to find the good keywords. This video will be divided into 5 to 6 parts because this part is the most essential part of doing business on Etsy, while you're doing dropshipping or private label or product on demand or digital products. So it may be divided into 5 or 6 parts. So let's get started and let's move on to the screen. So the first method is seller snipping method. In this, we will find what other sellers are selling and how their sales are going. So it's just simple. Just simply go to Etsy and search for any product in which you are interested. Anything, I search for scarf. When I'm seeing some scarves, I will open some listings. Like I will open this one, the new tab, and this one. And I will go here and I will open this one also and this one. So I've opened 4 listings here. Now just simply go to this store. The store name is Manicure and this store name is Hard on Silk, and this store name is Kindle Tatute, I don't know, and this name is Love Gifts. Now simply I will open these stores by clicking on the store name. So we have here the stores. This store sold 918 sales. He got 22,780 sales. Now the difference you're seeing that when I hover my cursor on the sales section on this point, so you can see that it is not clickable. But on here, if I hover my cursor and the sales 918 sales, you can see it is clickable. So this means that this seller has disabled this option from the store setting. So we can also disable that on overstill. Now just simply if you click on it on this sales, you will see that these are his sold items. You can see sold. So these are his sold items. From this you can get a very good idea that which products are already selling on Etsy, what people are already selling on Etsy, and they're getting orders for that product. So, and from this section, this is a seller snipping method. From here you can get very good product ideas, what to sell on Etsy. To hunt your product, this is the best way. So this is not clickable, we will close it. This one is also not clickable, we'll close it. And this one's also not clickable, we'll close this section. Alright, so we'll go back and I will open some more stores here, like this one and this one or this one. Let's see if they are clickable or not, and I will show you that how you can turn off for your own store. Okay, so that is clickable. We got 116 sales, he got 1023 sales, and he got only 13 sales so far. So you can see what his products are already selling. Over 20 people have this in their basket. You can also get a very good idea, like it's a very demanding product, like 20 people already have added this product to their account. So from here you can get a very good idea how to hunt the product for your own store. So this seller, these are the sold items of this seller. His name is Acme Cufflinks. He's selling cufflinks and he is selling bags, blue bags, and you can see that 19 people have this in their basket, over 20 people have this in their basket, and from here you can get a very good idea. So this is a seller snipping method, and I just want to show you how you can turn off for your own store. Just simply go to Etsy, here's the store. Right now I'm just showing you how you can turn this option off for your store, and if you want to turn it on, how you can do that. I have opened my store, go to settings, and the settings, go to options, click on options, scroll a little bit down, and from here you can see this heading store listings. Want shoppers to be able to see these, show them, and if you don't want to show them, click on no and hide them and click on save. Then your sold items will not be shown the buyers, shoppers, or sellers, or anyone. Okay, so that's all for today in this video for seller snipping method. And the next video we will learn more about the product hunting and keyword researching. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.